Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change language on Cash App, real easy and simple. So first, you need to actually go ahead and change your language on your iPhone, basically your iOS device, right? Open up the Settings app, just scroll down and tap on General, then just select Language and Region, tap on your iPhone language and choose your preferred language. And you can go ahead and confirm by tapping on change to, and then just select the language you're going to change to. Restart the Cash App to basically see the updated language. And next, you can also go ahead and do the same thing on Android, right? So if you're using an Android device, open up the Settings app, tap on a system, okay? And then go ahead and select language and input, click on add a language, and select your preferred one. Just drag the new language to the top of the list to make it the default, and then just restart Cash App for the changes to take effect. And you can also go ahead and verify these changes in Cash App, right? So after you basically change the device's language, open up Cash App, check if the interface updates. And if the language did not change, uninstall and reinstall Cash App. That should fix the issue. And if Cash App does not support your language, well, English may remain as the default, okay? And I would just want you to note that Cash App does not have a manual language setting. It basically follows your device's default language, but it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.